Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content, and for this video ay pakinggan natin si Englishera. Hey, Englishera! Okay, let's go.
It's more of language because I'm an Englishera, halata.
Okay, Englishera daw siya, halata. Hindi ba Taglish yung salita mo? Actually, okay lang naman mag-Taglish. Taglish is what you call code switching. Hindi yung kanta ni Easy Mila, pero yun yung tawag sa pag nag-Taglish ka. Kunyari, si Bea Bores, magaling mag-Taglish yun. And yung accent niya is very Kanyo. Okay, pero this is not Englishera. Nag-i-English lang with Tagalog. Taglish, oh, talay.
I can come off as strong to a lot of people that I tried dating. They find me strong. And then pull, as a nosebleed. Like, I get that a lot. And it doesn't offend me. Pero yun lang. Yun lang. That's what.
So, siguro deep yung vocabulary niya. Wide yung verbiage niya. Para siyang thesaurus na naglalakad. Para siyang synonym. Para siyang Google Translate. Ano naman, meron naman mga ganyang klaseng tao, and there's really nothing wrong there. And I don't think language has anything to do with love. Kung mahal mo naman yung isang tao, 'di ba? Kahit a few words lang, 'di ba? Meron mga ganun eh. Kunyari ang banding niyo Dota, o kaya Shabu. Hindi, yung mga nagsasabi, nag-uusap, nag-aaway na lang. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang! O, tuloy natin.
I feel like baka ma-overwhelm ko sa akin and baka ma-overwhelm rin ako sa'yo pag straight Tagalog. Yun lang.
So si Kuya kasi yung kanyang natural speaking language ay Tagalog. He colloquies in Tagalog, di ba? Na shoutouts kay Miriam Defensor Santiago, yung salitang colloquy. Yung informal usapan, yan. Yun yung tawag din eh. Colloquy. Tuloy natin.
Thank you.
Do you have any response to that?
So, well, in terms of language naman, I can add.
Ito, kasi my guy is a teacher. That's why gusto kong i-cover to. And nagtuturo siya ng international school. Very formal siya magsalita. Hindi siya masyadong nagko-code switch. Kasi when you're teaching, especially if major subject yung tinuturo mo, you are, hindi naman forbidden, pero mas okay kung isang language lang yung ginagamit mo. Kung Tagalog, Tagalog lang. Kung English, English lang. Pero most teachers na na-encounter ko, nagko-code switch pa rin sila. Except if the subject is English. Kasi mas sanay ang tao ng Tagalog-English dito sa doon sa mga university na napasukan ko. Okay, tuloy natin.
Yes, since mostly in my teaching career, I am teaching also international students. So I managed to adjust both in English and Tagalog.
Oh, yun.
So,
tingnan mo to. Yun naman pala eh. Di ba? Utik eh. So, ano siya, very... sa tingin ko, si Sir is very intelligent in terms of what language he will use in specific in specific instances. He doesn't speak to impress. Meron kasi mga ganong klaseng tao. I'm not saying si ate ganon na. They would speak a language na would get them more attention. Pero sa kanya hindi eh. It's very, yung kanyang paggamit ng language is on a professional level. Yun yung talagang mga dangers. Ibig sabihin dangerous na, in terms na malupeta. Hindi yung dangerous. Okay, tuloy.
if ever, for example,
Maka-adjust daw siya sa'yo, girl. Okay, let's go ahead.
Ayan. Nagbabasa ako ng comment ng isang araw. Baka ayaw mo lang dun sa lalaki. Hindi, I mean, I don't wanna say anything dun sa ano niya, di ba? Pero mukha namang matino yung tao eh, di ba?
Students that are international and at the same time are the natives, usually ang ginagawa ko is nagtatagalog ako. Then I convert it into English or vice versa.
Ayun, di ba? So, very professional yung paggamit niya ng language. Hindi lang for colloquy purposes. Kasi yung ganito, yung conversational Tagalog or yung colloquial yung colloquial na salita is very informal. At siya mas sa tingin ko yung command niya sa language mas mataas. Although command and having a lot of words na alam mo is two different things. Command is something that you can switch on and off. Yung language, yung dami ng alam mo sa language is yung dami ng words na alam mo, iba naman yon. Pero I'm not sure kung ano yung level of language nitong si ate. I just understand that she can converse in English. Pero etong si sir, I think a notch bit higher. Kasi professional siya eh. O tuloy.
Oh, international naman daw pala. So,
But it doesn't intimidate you.
Of course not. Of course not. Kasasabi nga lang, 'di ba? Kasasabi nga lang niya that he is conversing in two languages. Language is such a fun is such a fun subject. Kasi yung eto lang yung pag-i-English, although tayong mga Pilipino, we speak dual language, right? Tagalog, English, yung iba sa atin, tatlo pa, may Bisaya. So, pero it does not equate to intelligence. It just, well, hindi. Depende kung anong perspective yung papatitingnan nyo. Pwede kasing multiple intelligences and language is one part of intelligence. Pero yung normal understanding ko of IQ, it's part of it pero it doesn't make the whole picture. Kumbaga isa lang, okay? Kaya sa multiple intelligence ka babagsak kung i-insist mo talaga na language is something na kailangan mong kailangan mong isama to consider you as intelligent. Well, there are people na sa tingin ko yung magaling, yung language expert talaga, yung kung napanood niyo yung kay Alice Guo na interpreter, yung talaga magaling yun, English, Tagalog, Chinese. Tsaka yung fluency niya ng translation, ang galing di ba? Seamless, para siyang Google Translate, para siyang AI mag-translate, di ba? So yun yung magagaling na tao, in my opinion lang. Okay, totally natin.
Or like overwhelmed. Kasi I swear, like dire-diretso.
Hindi ka intimidated.
One thing kasi sa relationship for me is you will adjust on both ends. Okay. So if one is lacking, then maybe you could outreach more on that person.
Pinutok lang yung lobo
to make the connection.
Meron akong mga shoutouts dun sa mga classmate ko nung araw, sa mga taga Southridge sila, na Parif Southridge yung kanilang school. Karamihan kasi sa Southridge, yung mga bata na yon ay mga scholars, okay? Ang point ko dito, kung paano magsalita yung sa mga taga Southridge, ganun magsalita si sir. And those people, mga taga Southridge, mga matatalino talaga sila. Talagang at saka, hindi lang matalino, masipag pa. Yun yung best combo Ako kasi, tamad ako Hindi rin ako matalino, tamad lang talaga. Point here is this, hindi talaga siya sukatan. Especially if nakatapat siya ng someone like that guy na has a command of the language. Tuloy.
May balloon backup.
woo! Balloon!
Yay! Ayun naman pala! Ikaw, pari. Oh, yun naman pala. Yun naman pala. Happy ending naman pala. Can I get my balloon back? Okay. Kasi nga, siguro, it's how he delivered his first line. Siguro, nung simula, nagtatagalog-tagalog siya. Tapos parang hindi yun appealing sa kanya. Pero once you converse with the person, may second chance. Yay! Nakakakilig naman pala. Kinilig ako slight lang. Anyway, mga kamads, mga kaibigan, I hope you enjoyed the show. Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Kaya mga